Number 5. Welcome to our Holystone HS720 drone review. In this video, we're going to take a look at the features and specs of this drone and then show you how it performs in the air. The HS720 is a great mid-range drone that comes with a 4K HD camera and a 3-axis gimbal for steady footage. It's able to fly up to 33 minutes on a single battery and has a control range of up to 1,000 meters. It also comes with GPS and optical flow positioning systems for precise navigation and positioning. The drone also comes with several smart features such as automatic takeoff and landing, follow me mode, and obstacle avoidance. It also has a headless mode for easier control in the air. The HS720 performs very well. It's responsive and smooth to fly due to its brushless motors and strong airframe. The camera footage is also excellent with its 4K resolution, and the 3-axis gimbal helps to keep it steady. Overall, the Holystone HS720 is an excellent drone for intermediate pilots. Its features and specs make it a great choice for capturing aerial footage and its performance in the air. The Holystone HS720 is the latest drone on the market, and it's making waves with its advanced features and innovative design. This drone is perfect for amateur and professional photographers alike, offering a great deal of flexibility and control. With its 1.8 HD camera, you'll be able to take stunning photos and videos of landscapes and cityscapes alike. The Holystone HS720 comes with a variety of features that make it stand out from the competition. First and foremost, its GPS-assisted hover technology allows you to fly with greater precision and accuracy. The drone also has a fail-safe return home function in case of signal loss, so you can rest assured that your drone will return safely to you. Additionally, the Holystone HS720 has a 15-minute flight time and an impressive 400 meters control range, giving you plenty of time and room to explore. The Holystone HS720 also has an impressive range of automatic flight modes, so you can easily capture the perfect shot. For instance, the Follow Me mode allows you to set the drone to follow you wherever you go, making it easier to capture dynamic footage of your adventures. Number 4. Are you looking for a great drone to get started in the world of aerial photography and video? Look no further than the Holystone HS11OG. This drone is perfect for beginners and experienced flyers alike. This high-performance drone comes with a powerful motor and advanced flight control system that make it easy to maneuver and control. The HS11OG has a range of up to 500 meters and can reach speeds of up to 18 mph. It also features a 1.8 HD camera and can record video and take photos with a 2MP camera. The camera has a 90-degree adjustable angle so you can get the perfect shot. The Holystone HS110G is also equipped with a built-in GPS system with auto return, altitude hold, and headless mode. This drone is great for getting aerial shots of landscapes, sporting events, and more. With the Follow Me feature, you can capture yourself in action while the drone follows you around. The drone features a battery life of up to 12 minutes, and the battery is removable and rechargeable. The HS110G also comes with a controller and mobile phone holder, so you can easily control the drone. Number 3. The Holystone HS720 is a powerful and feature-packed drone that's perfect for both beginner and experienced drone pilots. Whether you're looking to capture stunning aerial photos and videos or just have fun zipping around your neighborhood, the HS720 has you covered. This quadcopter comes equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera for capturing video at resolutions up to 3840 by 2160. A built-in electronic image stabilization eye system ensures that even your most daring flights will be captured with smooth, stable footage. Plus, with the Included 3-axis gimbal. You can keep your shot steady and eliminate any shake or jitter. The HS720 also comes with a range of intelligent flight modes that make flying easier and more enjoyable. The Smart Follow Me mode allows you to focus on getting the perfect shot while the drone follows you and keeps you in the center of the frame. The Point of Interest mode allows you to circle an object of your choice while the drone keeps you in the center of the shot. For added convenience, the HS720 comes with an app for iOS and Android devices. Number 2. Are you looking for a drone that will give you an amazing aerial experience? Look no further than the Holystone HS270 GPS 2.7K drone. This drone offers the perfect combination of maneuverability, range, and stability. The HS270 GPS drone is equipped with a powerful brush motor, allowing you to fly it up to 300 meters away. It also has an advanced GPS system, giving you precise control and a stable flight. The HS270 also comes with an impressive 2.7K camera, letting you capture stunning HD footage of your flights. The HS270 GPS drone is user-friendly and easy to fly. It comes with a remote control that is intuitive and easy to use. The drone also has a return to home feature, which lets the drone come back to its original takeoff point in case of an emergency. In addition to its great features, the HS270 GPS drone is also durable. It's made of a strong and sturdy plastic material, making it perfect for outdoor use. It also comes with a spare battery, so you can extend your flight time and explore more areas. Number 1. The Holystone HS175 drone is the perfect choice for any level of hobbyist, from beginners to experts. With its powerful brushless motors, 6-axis gyro, and smart flight control system, you'll be able to fly with confidence and get professional level results. The HS175 is equipped with an HD camera that allows you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. You'll be able to save and share your footage with friends and family using the included 2 GB microSD card. The camera also offers real-time transmission, so you can see what your drone sees in real. The drone also comes with altitude hold and headless mode. Altitude hold allows you to maintain a consistent altitude while flying, and headless mode makes it easier to control the drone no matter which direction it is facing. For those looking for a bit of extra fun, the drone also comes with 3D flips and rolls. This will add a bit of excitement to your flight and give your videos that extra something special. With a flight time of up to 15 minutes, you'll be able to get lots of footage in a single session. The drone also has a range of up to 100 meters.